good morning. My name is Tanya Goldberg and I'm a professional ceramic artist. So I am going to do a little tutorial on the extruders that are made and sold by Diamondcore tools. And I am not going to do the usual extruding tutorial because these guys are amazing handle extruders, but I want to show you what else they can do. So let's start with this little guy, R4. R4, when used for imprinting, kind of like a stamp, makes this pattern. And if you keep going, you get a basket. And R1 is just a square. And it's kind of boring. It does this. But if you put them together, you get a brick wall. FP4, I just like the width of it. It's like a perfect little cone. And it makes little indents like this, which can easily turn into a nice flower. And then we have R12. R12 is like a blunt, tapered square end. And I make little bricks with it. Or, if you line them up properly, they can look like shingles for a roof. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It's a little bit different from the usual extruding tutorials. And I hope that you guys get to use these tools for all the other things that they can do. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy your day in the studio. Take care. Bye-bye.